आपको if you don't have faith, you can ask me whatever you want from 8 volumes पढ़े थे तब तक स्वामी जी ने, तो ask me anything from those books. तो फिर वो एक रैंडम पुस्तक ले आया, वहाँ पर एक रैंडम पेज पे he just asked something to Swamiji, and you know Swamiji gave him the exact what was written on that page. फिर और एक वॉल्यूम ले आया, he asked something from there and Swamiji verbatim quoted what was there. ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रश्नोत्तर के बाद he said, Swamiji, this is superhuman. आप ये कैसे करते हो? How is this possible? Then Swamiji explained, and you please pay attention to this explanation. Vivekananda said, you see, when a child studies the alphabet, first he studies only A, B, C, D. Then he learns to put the alphabets together and read the word. A for apple. A, P, P, L, E is apple. फिर वो apple देखता है, फिर associate करता है. This word means this. है ना? So you see, now letter he has learned to join the letters and understand the word and its meaning. Then Vivekananda said, gradually as he grows up, he becomes older, he learns to associate words together like this and understands the sentence immediately. As his brain develops further, he will join sentences together like this and understand the paragraph immediately. है ना? यही होता था ना हमारे साथ भी. And gradually as he becomes more and more capable and a magnificent intelligence is produced, he will glance through the page and get the whole page in a few seconds. I do this with books, Swamiji ने कहा. I do this with books. ऐसे glance करते जाते हैं and he soaks up the information entirely and doesn't miss it. वो उनके मेमोरी से नहीं चला नहीं जाता है. How is this possible, you tell me? This is the power of attention.